You actually notice that God strengthens you by weakening you. It sounds contradicting, but it actually makes sense. Because remember the times that you feel down, low, weak, yung walang-wala ka, yung pagod ka na, feel lost at hindi mo alam anong gagawin. And it's when God strengthens you. If you just let go of your self-reliance. Sometimes kasi we just rely on ourselves, but if we actually lower down our pride and we're vulnerable enough to allow God to work in our life, to depend on Him and just ask support from Him, like, that's when He'll work. Kasi kahit na gusto niya tayong tulungan, but if we have a wall, if we feel that kaya natin to mag-isa, we don't need Him, we don't need any support, then how can He help us? But in our weaknesses, actually, we can be strong if we allow Him to work in our life. Kaya ang ganda ng verse ni Paul na, for when I am weak, then I am strong. So if you're going through a tough time right now, strip off that self-reliance and allow God to work in your life. And for sure, you will be strengthened. You will become stronger, better, wiser.